Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry Aspirant. Now in today's lecture we are going to learn about the coordination chemistry. This coordination chemistry is also known as a coordination compound or a complex compound or a complex salt. Now this coordination chemistry is emerged from the work of Alfred Werner, a Swiss chemist who got a Nobel Prize in 1930 for his contribution in the coordination chemistry. In today's lecture, we are going to learn about the introduction and the importance of the coordination chemistry, how the coordination compounds are useful in our day-to-day life. So, let's start with the introduction to the coordination chemistry. The most amazing field of the inorganic chemistry is actually the coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry is a backbone of modern inorganic chemistry, bioinorganic chemistry, and the chemical industry. We know that generally the transition metal have a tendency to form a large number of complexes, and this complexes is also known as a coordination compound or a complex compound or a complex salt. So the branch of the chemistry which deals with the study of this coordination compound or complex compound or a complex salt is known as a coordination chemistry. Generally, the coordination compounds have the central metal ion or atom which is surrounded by number of anions or neutral molecules by the sharing of the electrons. Coordination compound is represented in a square bracket, that is MLN, n raised to plus minus, where M represents the central metal ion while L represents the anions or the neutral molecules, which is generally called as ligands, and N represents the number of that ligands or the anions or the neutral molecule, while N raised to plus minus represents the number of charges on that coordination if that compound is in the ionic form 1, which is generally called as a complex ion. This is the simple representation of your coordination compound that I have shown here. So you just remember this basic structure for the rest of the chapter 1, which is very essential or which is very important one. Again remember that the chemistry of the coordination compound is an important and the challenging area which gives the new concept in a chemical bonding, and it also develop a new molecular structures, and it also provide a vital component in the biological system. So now we will know about the importance of the coordination chemistry or the coordination compounds. Coordination compounds are widely distributed in plant and animals which play and many important biological functions, such as we know that in the photosynthesis process in a plant the chlorophyll pigment is present. That chlorophyll pigment consists of the coordination compound of a magnesium metal. Again, we know that red blood pigment, which is a coordination compound of your iron. Again, we know that vitamin B12 is a complex compound of a cobalt. So, this is the important role which is generally played in plant and animal by the coordination compound. And we know that the variety of the metrological process, then the industrial processes, then the industrial catalyst, analytical reagents, all these involves the use of your coordination compounds in the extraction of the gold from its ore with the aqueous solution of the potassium cyanide. It forms the soluble gold complex, which is actually the dicyanoaurate complex ion. So here I have shown this reaction by which we can obtain this soluble complex in the metrological process. In the industrial process or in the analytical catalyst, EDTA and DMG is used as a reagent which can form a complex compound with the nickel or the palladium or any other transition metal. You know that EDTA is ethylene diamine tetraacetate, while DMG is dimethyl glycine. Another importance of the coordination chemistry, we know that the cisplatin is a chemotherapy medication which is used to treat the several cancer. Again, the synthetic detergent contain the several agents such as tripolyphosphate which trap trap the ions from hard water and it do not interfere with the surfactant. Therefore, the study of the coordination chemistry plays a significant role in biological, then industrial and analytical processes. So, we must have the knowledge of the coordination chemistry. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.